Looking for the perfect gas grill but overwhelmed by options? Stick around, we've tested and ranked the best, and you're about to see which one truly brings the heat. Kicking things off at the bottom of our list is the Char-Broil Portable Convective 1 Burner. It's small, it's simple, and it's designed for quick on-the-go grilling. If you're thinking of tailgates, camping trips, or even a fast backyard burger session, this one gets the job done. Just don't expect too many bells and whistles. Now, to its credit, it's light and super compact. The folding legs make transport easy, and the heat-resistant handles mean you can pack it up soon after grilling. Compared to the others in this roundup, it's the most bare bones, but also the most affordable. You get a straightforward, no-frills grill that just works. That said, this model comes with trade-offs. There's no built-in ignition, you'll need to light it manually. And the heat can be uneven, so you'll be playing Grillmaster a bit more actively. Durability is also a question mark. It's mostly steel with a thin finish that may not hold up after many sessions. Still, if budget and portability are your top priorities and you just need something to cook a few hot dogs or burgers on the fly, this might be exactly what you need. And hey, if you want to check this grill out or any grills from today's list, we've got links to the best prices right down in the description. Next up is the Blackstone 1813 Original 22-inch Griddle, sitting just one step higher in our ranking. This isn't your classic grill, it's a griddle, which means it opens up a whole new different style of outdoor cooking. Think breakfast skillets, stir fries, or smash burgers. For versatility alone, it brings a lot to the table. You've got 361 square inches of cooking space and dual burners that let you control 2 heat zones independently. That's a lot of flexibility for a portable unit. The grease management system is a big win, making cleanup way less messy than you might expect. But it's not all sunny side up. At nearly 38 pounds, it's heavy for something that's supposed to be portable. The griddle top isn't removable, which means cleaning can be a chore. And while you can use a full-size propane tank, you'll need an adapter, sold separately. Still, if you love cooking more than just steaks and burgers and you're okay with a slightly bulkier setup, this one's worth a serious look. Oh, and if you're enjoying the breakdown so far, do me a favor, smash that like button and subscribe for more deep dives just like this one. In the middle of the pack is the Weber Traveler, a portable grill that doesn't feel like a compromise. This thing is built for people who want performance and convenience in one smart-looking package. Whether you're at a campsite or a tailgate, it folds up and down in seconds with just one hand. The cooking space is generous for a portable, and the cast iron grates hold heat like champs. You also get some thoughtful touches like a built-in thermometer, a lid that locks during transport, and even hooks for your tools. It's clear Weber paid attention to the little things. Now, there are a couple of quirks. It only has one burner, which means no separate heat zones. And while it's technically portable, it weighs in at around 49 pounds. Definitely not ultra light. Also, some users find the propane connection a bit fiddly the first few times. But for weekend warriors who want a top-tier portable experience without stepping down in quality, the Weber Traveler is a standout. It blends performance, convenience, and good design in one compact package. Stepping into the big leagues now with the Char-Broil Performance Series 4 burner. This grill isn't just a tool, it's a full outdoor cooking station. With over 600 square inches of space, it's perfect for feeding a crowd or just prepping a week's worth of food in one go. You get 4 main burners and a bonus side burner for sauces or sides, which puts this grill in another class entirely. The LED lit knobs and stainless finish give it a sleek, premium feel. For the price, it delivers a lot of functionality without breaking the bank. The trade-offs? It's a bit of a project to assemble, and the materials, while solid, don't quite match the premium build of the top Weber models. The grease system needs frequent attention, and the fixed shelves may limit flexibility in tight spaces. But if you're grilling for a family, hosting cookouts, or just want the flexibility of multiple burners, this model is a fantastic choice. It's big, bold, and budget-friendly, a great mid-tier workhorse. And here we are, our number 1 pick, the Weber Spirit E310. This grill checks every box: performance, build quality, ease of use, and long-term durability. It's a grill that feels like it's made to last, and everything about it, from the heavy-duty grates to the stainless burners, backs that up. You're getting 3 powerful burners and over 500 square inches of cooking space, all wrapped up in Weber's classic style. The ignition system is rock solid, the enclosed cart hides your tank, and the whole thing just feels incredibly well engineered. Now, it's definitely on the heavier side, and you don't get a side burner like you do with a Char-Broil 4 burner. but those are small prices to pay for something that's going to be the centerpiece of your backyard for years. If you want peace of mind, reliable performance, and top-notch support, the Weber Spirit E310 is the grill to beat. All the grills we covered today have something to offer, whether you're on the go or setting up the ultimate backyard BBQ. Check out the links in the description for the best deals on these top picks. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more hands-on gear reviews just like this. See you next time!